This is Dr. Kshipra Wadikar from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. Subject is Engineering Mathematics 3. Topic is Applications of Cauchy-Riemann equations in complex variables. For a function fz equal to uxy plus ivxy, where z equal to x plus iy is a complex variable, Cauchy-Riemann equations are given by dabba u by dabba x equal to dabba v by dabba y and dabba u by dabba y equal to minus of dabba v by dabba x. If fz equal to u plus iv is an analytic function, then u and v both satisfy CR equations. Also, if fz equal to u plus iv is analytic, then f dash of z is given by dabba u by dabba x plus I dabba v by dabba x, which is same as dabba v by dabba y minus I dabba u by dabba y. Second expression we are getting as u and v satisfy CR equations. Then let's come for harmonic functions. So a function phi xy is said to be harmonic if dabba 2 phi by dabba x square plus dabba 2 phi by dabba y square is equal to 0. If fz equal to u plus iv is analytic, then u and v both are harmonic functions. That is, we have dabba 2u by dabba x square plus dabba 2u by dabba y square equal to 0 and dabba 2v by dabba x square plus dabba 2v by dabba y square equal to 0. Also, if fz equal to u plus iv is analytic, then u is called as harmonic conjugate of v and v is a harmonic conjugate of u. Let's have a look on one example where we find the harmonic conjugate of u. So here question is that if u equal to 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square, then find v such that fz equal to u plus iv is analytic. So here u is given to us, which is a part of an analytic function fz equal to u plus iv. What is our job? We want to find out v, that is complex conjugate of u. So let's start for a solution. We consider u equal to 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square and fz equal to u plus iv is analytic. As fz equal to u plus iv is analytic, u and v satisfy CR equations. So, we can calculate partial derivatives of v. We can calculate partial derivatives of v. So, dabba v by dabba x is minus of dabba u by dabba y. That will be minus y upon x square plus y square. And dabba v by dabba y is dabba u by dabba x, that is equal to x upon x square plus y square. Let's call these equations as 1 and 2. These partial derivatives and their relations is by CR equations. As u and v satisfy CR equations, we get these expressions, say 1 and 2. Now let's consider the expression dabba v by dabba y equal to x upon x square plus y square. So v is given by integration of dabba v by dabba y with respect to y plus a function of x. that is gx. This gx, once we get answer for this gx, then we will get the solution for v. Okay, so our v will become tan inverse of y by x plus g of x. So we got the value for v. The unknown is gx. To find out the value of that unknown, we will make use of expression number 1. From 1, we have dabba v by dabba x equal to minus y upon x square plus y square. So we will differentiate the v which we have obtained in expression 3 partially with respect to x. So we will get dabba v by dabba x as minus y upon x square plus y square plus g dash of x. We will call this as 4. As equation 1 and 4 are sharing same left hand side, we will have minus y upon x square plus y square equal to minus y upon x square plus y square plus g dash of x. It means that g dash of x is 0. Since derivative of a function is 0, it means that it's a constant function. So we will get g of x equal to c, and thus v is tan inverse of y by x plus c. Thank you.